This short video will describe the path that many youth take through juvenile court, what we consider the traditional court process. There are a few key things to know about juvenile court. First, the process may seem like it takes a long time. This means families will sometimes wait an hour or more in court before getting called into a hearing, or even meeting with an attorney. It also means coming back to the court multiple times for different types of hearings. The court must follow specific procedures to make sure each child is represented fairly and that the child's rights are protected. The court must decide if the child committed the offense, and then, if guilty, what the consequences should be. Throughout the process, your child may be in detention or at home, supervised by a probation counselor. The entire court process can take from a month up to 3 or 4 months. When a case goes to trial, the process can take even longer.
The court process, it is a process. And so, first of all, you need to be prepared, even though they say to be there at 8:30 in the morning. Be prepared to spend several hours, which I wasn't really prepared for the first couple of times. Secondly, that the process takes many, many weeks. You come back several times, and I just wanted to get it over with. But I learned that it is definitely a process, and there is a reason for each step in the process.
Your child will be assigned a defense attorney, whose job it is to represent your child's wishes and protect his or her interests. Your child will also be assigned a probation counselor. A probation counselor gathers information about your child and makes recommendations to the court about the supervision and support your child might need while waiting for the court process to be completed.
The judge's responsibility in juvenile court is very similar to the responsibility that the judge has in any court, and that is to apply the law and uphold the Constitution, and also looking out for the best interests of the youth.
If your child is found guilty of the offense, the judge will likely give your child a set of guidelines or conditions to follow in a court order. This could include confinement, community service, counseling, or other requirements.
And at disposition, the parent's role is often critical.
Your child could then be assigned a different probation counselor from the person who you worked with during the court process. The probation counselor will supervise your child and make sure that he or she follows the court order. This probation counselor may also recommend different treatments and services for your child. It is important that you know and understand what the court's order says and what the probation counselor expects your child to do. Supporting your child in meeting all of the court's expectations will help them be successful through the court process. It will also prevent them from going back into detention or receiving another punishment from court. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit www.uwhelpingfamilies.org, the website of the Division of Public Behavioral Health and Justice Policy at the University of Washington. This video was produced in cooperation with Team Child, with support from the MacArthur Foundation Models for Change, and with thanks to the Clark County, Snohomish County, and King County Juvenile Courts, Washington Dads, and the Washington State Partnership Council for Juvenile Justice.